Ethiopia. Right now I'm inside the airports of Arbaminch. This is what the looks of this airport here in Arbaminch city looks like. A small airport but full of nature. As you see, a lot of nature is around here. Arbaminch. So I've been here for some for some reason to fix a problem. I was just booking a flight back to Addis and a problem happened and I have to be here to fix the payment, and I just want to show you around. So stay tuned and make sure to like, subscribe, share the channel. Let's keep walking and touring around this beautiful airport, and we can go back to the city and I can show you where I just can encounter and get on my way back to the city. Ethiopian Airports Enterprise Arbaminch Airport. It's here. I can jump and show you something on the other side, guys. As I have told you many times, this neighborhood in Ethiopia, especially Arbaminch and its surrounding, is the most fertile soil for growing banana plantation. And I see some of the people here, the farmers, making ready the banana to be loaded and transported to Addis and beyond to the different parts of Ethiopia. Yeah, look at those streets. New ways are on the way paved. And here by this side you got this banana. Look, this green banana. See, this is how they just collect it and load it and transport to Addis. Salam no? Let's what that's how I'm channel. Very good. Arif no. It's very good. Look the woman how she bring out the banana cutting from the banana plant. Look at this. This is how you do out things here for transporting, loading the banana. You have to collect like this here, and you keep, when the car or the lorry comes here, they load it, and it's gonna be ripened there in Addis, and that's how it's going to be displayed in the shop and sold out for the customers by each vendor shops. So this is what I can show you with this video, as I'm somewhat away out of the downtown. We can see the beauty of this lovely city Arbaminch. Yeah, I love village, especially exploring this kind of farming place gives me a kind of a happiness, and it just gives me a kind of feeling that I'm connected with nature. Look at this. And in my future I'm gonna be a farmer. Stopping this vlog, something that stuff, and then I'm gonna be a farmer and doing this farming kind of study I studied in college was somewhat related to farming, and I love so much farming, especially farming which is runs through mechanized and technologically advanced means. I love such kind of farming. I know everyone loves that, but I say this because our farming needs to be improved in such a way, and I have a plan of showing and promoting such kind of agriculture in my country, and I'm gonna do it one day, not only for my benefit, that can just bring a sort of motivation and promotion of modern agriculture here in our country. We have this amazing land, fertile soil, surplus water supply, but still we are not capable of feeding our people. So there should be a way that we can bring such a modern, advanced farming technology here in Africa, here in Ethiopia, and then not only for our country, we can feed the rest of the world, you know, because we have an amazing land, I know. Look, the banana, left, right side. These people are cutting down trees, maybe for firewood. Maybe they have here some coffee, I don't know. Let's check if they have a local coffee we can try. Tanalla? Bunna ምናምን የለም? ቡና የለም? አትሸጡም ቡና? ይሄ ምንድን ነው የሚባለው? ይሄ አለኮ ምን ነበረ? ሽፈሮ. Okay, it's like a kind of cabbage, yeah?
Oh, lick. Yes.
Very good. Do you speak English?
Yes.
You speak English. What's your name? Your name?
My name is Degu.
Your name is Degu. Nice to meet you, Degu. You're so nice boy.
Yes.
Yeah, I see that. Perfect. So how's life? እንዴት ነው ህይወት እዚህ? ተመችቷችኋል? አሁን እቺ የኩሽና ቤታችሁ ነች? Very good. ይሄ የእናንተ ቤት ነው። ስምሽ ማን ይባላል? ምስራች. ምስራች. Very good. And your name? ምህረት. ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል። ቡና ቢኖር ቡና ልጠጣ ነበር የለም። Thank you. My boy, I appreciate. So nice, you see. And by the backyard they have such an amazing banana plantation. And this is their means of what income, and the lives of most of the people living in this area are basically dependent on the income they get from this banana plantation, selling the banana, you know, like the way we have seen before a minute there. So these ordinary people, the farmers, do this plantation and live their life from the income they get from this farming. It's beautiful. So you can imagine if we introduce and do some technological advanced farming, how this neighborhood could be productive, you know. And look at this typical house here, which is made of from the false banana, bamboo. Look at this. In shape, it's similar in shapes of what elephant. Famous house here in this part of Ethiopia, in the south. So this is away from the city to the airport, and the asphalt seems fed up and is under renewal, you know. They are updating, trying to maintain. Daros Cultural Village, it says here like that. Where's it? I told you last time, this village and the people are so well known for weaving art, you know. This is, I think, for that. You can see, look at this, it's a cotton. So this is a room for such purpose, I think. These people are well known for weaving artwork, you know. They are well known for weaving and making a clothes from cotton, and this house, what we see there, is for that purpose, you know. The Dorsa village, the well-known people in Addis, even they have such separate particular place that they use to manufacture those traditional clothes made of cotton through weaving, you know, and manufacture and made traditionally those cotton made white clothes, which are taken and termed as a typical cultural dress of Ethiopia from the different corner. We dress those clothes manufactured by these artful people, the Gamo people. My brother, Danish. ሰላም ነው? ስራ አሪፍ ነው? እየሰራሽ ነው? ኮንስትራክሽን። Very good. Very. ስምህ ማን ይባላል?
ስሜ ፋሲል።
Fasil, nice to meet you, Fasil, my brother. ብለናል። የምታስተላልፊው መልእክት አለ ስለ አርባ ምንጭ ምናምን? what something special about አርባ ምንጭ? አርባ ምንጭ በጣም ይሄ ለየት ያለ ነገር ነው የምትለው ምንድን ነው?
ስለ አርባ ምንጭ አሁን አርባ ምንጭ ስንመጡ ማለት ነው ይሄ ሙዝ ካሽ ነው። ስለ ሙዝ ነው ማውራት ስለ ሙዝ ነው ሙዝ ካሽ ነው ምናምን አርባ ምንጭ መጥተህ እናንተ ሲደብር አርባ ምንጭ መጥተህ ምትዝናናው ምናምን
exactly thank you my brother እናመሰግናለን great job my friend Fasil here I met told us something special about Arbaminch is the banana plantation. That's true. You know, you got this massive banana plantation all around, mostly and particularly in this neighborhood of Ethiopia, in Arbaminch and its surrounding. A very short distance you go out from the downtown, you got this kind of banana plantation everywhere. And that's what he said. Special thing about Arbaminch is its banana plantation. That's very true. That's what we noticed, I think, in my previous video too. And if you don't have watched that, go and you can check out. I've just uploaded and posted the most nice videos about these lovely neighborhoods of Ethiopia, Arbaminch and its surrounding, the 40 Springs. So don't miss and go and check out back those videos I have posted already. This is true. Banana, left right side. And at the same time you can get the mango and other fruits like orange, lemon, avocado surplus here. And that's why I said this neighborhood fulfills the fruit demands of Ethiopia, and that's why I said Arbaminch and its surrounding are the fruit baskets of Ethiopia. This is where Ethiopia gets its fruit, you know. እንደምን አሉ? ሰላም ናችሁ? በጣም ጥሩ። Avocado, mango is surplus here. This what you see is, for example, is an avocado plant. And I can show you mango. Okay, ይሄ የሙዝ እንደዚህ ነው የሚተከለው? Oh, look at this, guys. This is how you can grow a banana. You have to get this kind of root and then they just plant it, and that's how the banana grows. የባናና ግን የሙዝ ምንድነው ፍሬ ያለው እንዴ የሚዘራ?
የሚዘራ አይደለም። ይሄ ነው ችግኝ ነው። ችግኙ ይሄ ተተክሎ በቃ እንደዚህ ይሆናል። እዛ ጋር ነው ፍሬ የሚበላው ብቻ ነው እንጂ የሚወጣው እንደዛ አይነት እዛ ጋር ጫፍ ላይ ይታያል። እሱ ነው ፍሬ የሚባለው፣ እሱ ይበላል። ይሄ ግን ይዛል። በእንደዚህ አይነት መልኩ ወስዶ ጉርጓድ ተቆፍሮ ለነሱ ቦታ ለነሱ የሚሆነው አዘጋጅቶ በዛ ቦታ ላይ
ይተከላል ማለት ነው።
ይተከላል።
ከዛ ያድጋል።
በየ3 ሜትሩ ጉርጓድ በመስመር አውጥቶ ይተክላሉ። ከዛ እያደገ ሲመጣ እንደዛ ቅርንጫፍ ሌላ እየወለደ እየሰፋ ይመጣል። የቀደመው እድገትን ላይ የቀደመው ፍሬ ያወጣል። ያንን ይቆርጣሉ። ሌላው ደግሞ ከስር የሚቆጠቆጠው ለችግኙ ሌላ ያልደረሰበት
ይሆነ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው።
ራሱ ችግኝ በቃ ሌላ ምንም ምርት ዘር የሚሆን ሌላ ነገር የለው። ራሱ በራሱ እዛ ጋር አሁን እየሰፋው ይታያል። ከስር ያለው ትንሹ ይወሰዳል። እንደዚህ ይሆናል። ተቆርጦ ተቆፍሮ ይወጣል። የኛው የቀረው ደግሞ ወደ ላይ ያድግና ፍሬ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው።
It's amazing. በጣም ነው የሚገርመው። ስለዚህ አሁን ለመትከል እያዘጋጀህ ነው? It's very good.
ወደ እርሻ ቦታ ባዘጋጁበት ቦታ ላይ
ለመውሰድ
ሌላ ቦታ ለመውሰድ ደግሞ ሌላ ቦታ ያላቸው እርሻ ቦታ አዘጋጅተው
ይወስዳሉ። እዚህ ነው
ገዝተው ይወስዳሉ። ወስዶ በሌላ ቦታ ይተክላሉ። እዛ ነው እንደዚህ አይነት ሁኔታ ነው የሚባዛው።
የሚገርም ነው በጣም ደስ ይላል። Thank you. So guys, this is how you can grow the banana. You see, that's what my father here told me and explained to me. This is, so banana, it doesn't have seed. Of course it might have, but for growing massive banana in your farming land, you prepare for growing a banana. This is the kind of fruit you have to get first, and then you plant it and you grow the banana. That's how you can grow banana plant here. Nice to meet you, my brother. Berta, it's very good. Thank you. And I told you before a minute, this neighborhood is surplus in mango too. Look at this. This is mango, you see? That's it. This is mango.
ደግሞ ፓፓያ ምርት ይሰጣል። ሌሎች አሉ አሁን እንጨት ቦዬ ምን
ካሳባ
ካሳባ ሽፈራው የሚባለው አለ። እነዚያ በደንብ ምርት ይሰጣሉ። የታወቁ ናቸው። ከአየሩ ጋር በጣም ተስማሚ ናቸው። እዚህ ሀገር
በጣም ጥሩ ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል። እስኪ መጨረሻ ግን ስለ አርባ ምንጭ በጣም ሳምቲንግ በጣም ስፔሻል ነው የምትለው ወይም ደግሞ አርባ ምንጭ አንድ ሰው ሲመጣ ይሄን ነገር ሳይጎበኝ መሄድ የለበትም የምትለው ምን አለ? ኦፍኮርስ ሁሉም ነገር እዚህ በጣም የሚገርም ነው። ማየው ነገር ተፈጥሮ እንዳልከው ነው። ግን እስኪ አንድ እንደው ቢያንስ ሰዎች መጥተው ሳያዩት መሄድ የለበትም የምትለው ነገር ካለ?
አርባ ምንጭ ላይ እውነት ነው ማየት የሚገባ ሳዩ እንዳይሄዱ የሚፈልገው በቃ ያው እዚህ አካባቢ ያሉ ነጭ ሳርም ሆነ እዚህ ምንጭ ውሃ አለ። አርባ ምንጭ የሚያሰኘው ምንጮች አሉ። እነዚያ እንደገና ደግሞ እዚህ አርባ ምንጭ ከተማ ላይ አስተዳደር አካባቢ ባህል አዳራሽ አካባቢ ብዙ ነገሮች ይገኛሉ። እነዚያ ደግሞ ገብቶ እያንዳንዱ ባህላዊ ነገር የሽመና ሌላው የሽመና ውጤቶች ደግሞ አሉ። እነኛ ሁሉም አርባ ምንጭ ላይ ምን አለ ብሎ የሚጠይቅ ሰው ሁሉ እያንዳንዱ የሚፈልገው ሊያገኝ የሚችልበት ከተማ ናት። እሷን አይቶ እንዲሁ አርባ ምንጭ አንዱ በጠየቀ ቁጥር አሁን እኔ አንተ ዛሬ እንደተገናኘው እንዳጋጣሚውና እንደ ድንገተኛ ጥያቄ ሆነብኝ እንጂ ተዘጋጅተን ብንጠብቅ ብዙ ነገሮች እናገኛለን። እና አንዱን ስትጠይቅ አንተ አግኝተህ ስትመለስ ሌላው ይህ የሚል አለ። ያ በዛን ሰዓት ብዙ ነገሮች ሊያገኙ ይችላሉ። ግን አሁን ያው ምንጩ አለ። አርባ ምንጭ በጣም የሚመች ለሄደው አይቶ በቃ ነፋሻ አየሮች የሚመች ሁኔታ ውሃ ምንጮች ደግሞ ውሃ ምንጭ ይባላል እንጂ እንደ ወንዝ ውሃ እንደ ትልቅ ወንዝ ዋኛ ሁሉ አለ። ሌሎች ደግሞ ፓርክ ሄዶ ለሚጎበኘው ለዱር አራዊቶች ፓርኩ ላይ በጣም የተጠበቁ ትላልቅና ትናንሽ አዕዋፋት የተለያዩ አይነቶች ስላሉ ደርሶ ጎበኝቶ ቢመጡ መልካም ነው እላለሁ።
ቴንኪው፣ አመሰግናለሁ። ስምህ ማን ይባላል?
አለሙ በቀለ ይባላል።
አለሙ በቀለ፣ ስለተገናኘን ደስ ብሎኛል። እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልኝ። አመሰግናለሁ። ቴንኪው። እሺ አባዬ፣ እሺ። That's it. You know, Alamu here, he explained to us, for someone who come to visit Arbaminch, don't miss to visit the 40 Spring, the cultural centers of the Gamo people. I just did video about that too, you can check. And as I told you, this Arbaminch city is surrounded by the national park called Dorsa. And in this park there is amazing wonderful wildlife like lion, tiger, zebra, monkeys, you know. So and there are also very endemic bird species that are native to this country only. So one can explore and enjoy and discover these all hidden gems we have in these regions of Ethiopia, in the south of Ethiopia. So what are you waiting for? Come, discover Ethiopia. We have an amazing country. And the people here, you see, so super friendly, welcoming. አይመሌ ሰላም ነው አለን። ስራ አሪፍ ነው። ስራ አሪፍ ነው።
በጣም ስራ የቱ ጋር
እየሰራህ ነው? እዚህ አንተ
አይደለም። እዚህ ትንሽ የቀለበ በሬ አለ። እዚሁ ጋር ሳር ጭደህ እዚህ መዳበሪያም
በጣም ጥሩ፣ በጣም ጥሩ። ሳሮ ታንክ ዩ። ኦኬ You see how friendly the people here. I love these people, bro. People are super kind. Look at the monkey there. They are eating banana from this banana plantation land. No problem. You got everything here. If you are a kind of person who admires nature, this is exactly the right place in Ethiopia. And last time we have been on the Crocodile ranch of Arbaminch, and this poster what you see is about that. Welcome to Gamo Development Station Arbaminch Crocodile Ranch. You see, these are the kind of crocodile you can get here in Arbaminch, especially in Chamo and Lake Abaya. We have these crocodiles, and these are giant, aggressive type of crocodile by name called the Nile crocodile. So this way will take you to the crocodile ranch where you can see those crocodiles. They're being bred. You know, the crocodile farming is here. I did video about this crocodile farming ranch, and you can watch that too. This particular spot where I am right now is called by name Knocksite. Knocksite, I think, yeah, Knocksite. And a lot of what nice houses are on construction around, new real estates, and this is going to be the most developed neighborhood very soon. People here selling banana. Just banana. Here there is also another campus, which is a campus for agricultural study, which is the Arbaminch University branch for agricultural study. Agriculture. Yeah, you know, this is, I think, the right campus, because the place, as you have seen, the neighborhood, the land is so really a typical land for farming, and having such institute for study will be very good, even for conducting research, you know, will be very good. Look, still the banana. And I'm very close to the river called Kulfo. And the campus, what I told you, is called Kulfo campus because of this river. Look at the banana here. Banana. Deitnish. Salam. Oh, the river Kulfo is here. Let me show you close up. Look at this. This is what I mean by river Kulfo. It's the biggest river which feeds water for Lake Chamo. It seems like when it flows, it's heading either to Lake Abaya, but not. It just head and end up its journey once it gets into Lake Chamo. Oh. This narrow bridge made of some metal truss, as you can see, and I have to cross it fast. Afraid it's very narrow and it may be cause for some danger. Kulfo bridge for this river. Right, it's somewhat narrow, and look at those heavy trucks are crossing, so to be careful. And that's the river Kulfo. It's going down to Lake Gamo. We are here already in the town, the downtowns of Arbaminch, and I'm feeling kind of hungry, so I have to grab some breakfast. And here in front of me there is a very famous square which is inaugurated very recently, which is called Gamo Square, which has a lot of significant meaning about these neighborhoods of Ethiopia, the Gamo people. So I can show you that, and then let's head to grab my breakfast. Arbaminch in the downtown in Sikala. Basically the city is divided into two main quarters. One Sikala, the one which is I'm right now is called Sikala, and the other sides of the city is called Secha. And Sikala looks like this, so beautiful, you see. Streets, the pedestrian is so good. It's a touristy city actually. It becomes a very good tourist spot. Heavy truck distracts the city. That's what I told you Gamo Square is. Gamo Square. And on the walls of this square you got those wildlife like zebra, fish, as fish is very available in these two lakes, and the cultural paint patterns are painted on the walls of this square, and it seems very beautiful. This is it. Crocodile, hippo are painted on the walls of this square. These are a kind of wildlife you can get in these regions of Ethiopia, ensuring that they paint that all on the walls of this square. So now I have to head in and get a place to try my breakfast. Let's go. So I'm right here now, just try grab my breakfast as I'm feeling very hungry. She's setting the right place, look at it. This is why you love this city. In every corner you got such a nice garden, plantation everywhere. Even a cafe you can get this. It's beautiful, let's be honest. So let's check what order I can just go for, and then I can make more my day. Stay tuned. So we got this juice, fresh juice. Yep, always you can get the best and a fresh organic juice here. the best juice. Then eating my breakfast, a juice with some kind of bread. And now there's nothing left actually to explore more, as we have been a lot of time in this downtown, so I have to catch a bajaj and go back to my room. ወደ ሴቻ ነሽ ቶታል ድረስ ውሰጂ እንዴት ነሽ? So I got a bajaj and what I'm just gonna do is back into my room, and so I'm gonna wrap up here the video. So thank you for watching and stay tuned and make sure to share, like, comment and subscribe to the channel, then you can be notified whenever I post videos, and lots nice videos gonna come out, as I'm planning to go to the Omo Valley for tribe visit, so such a lot of videos gonna come out, so make sure to subscribe guys and stay tuned. Thank you once again for watching. Goodbye.